Hey, fourth grade. Today we are learning about the lungs and the respiratory system. If you'll see here, there are materials that you need, and I'm not requiring you to do this part, but you can if you want to get extra points added to your lowest grade. You do not have to do this part. I made accommodations for that. All right, let's get started without further ado. From the outside, the lungs look pink and spongy, but below the spongy surface are tens of thousands of pathways that air moves through. When we inhale, oxygen moves into the tiny pathways in the lungs. And did you know that the left lung is slightly smaller than the right lung? I was 2 weeks ago old when I learned that the left lung was smaller. If I ever learned that in school, and I'm sure I did, I probably wasn't paying attention that day. I did not know, but you can see right here, and this is where the heart goes, right in here. The smaller size makes space for the heart. Color the spongy part of the lungs pink, and I already did that. You're going to need to do that too because that's the color. You need to know that the spongy part of the lungs are pink. The trachea branches off, and here's our trachea. It branches off into two tubes called bronchi. Tube, bronchi. One bronchus leads to the right lung, ta-da, and the other leads to the left lung, ta-da. Color the bronchi green. I've already done that. You need to do that too, okay? Do the best you can. I know you're having to color in with the mouse on Cami. Just do the best that you can. All right, so color the bronchi green. The two bronchi divide into tens of thousands of other small tubes called bronchioles. Say it with me, bronchioles. Bronchioles are only as thick as a piece of hair. Each lung has about 30,000 bronchioles. The diagram shows 12 bronchioles. Color them red to represent the 60,000 bronchioles that we have in our lungs. So on the very end right here, I colored it red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right? At the end of each bronchiole are clumps of air sacs. The air sacs are called alveoli. Say it with me, alveoli. Each alveolus, I always get that one mixed up. Y'all forgive me. Each alveolus is covered in small blood vessels called capillaries. When we inhale, oxygen is held in the alveoli until a red blood cell in the capillary picks it up. When we exhale, the red blood cell drops off carbon dioxide to the alveoli so that it can be breathed out. On the diagram above, draw tiny clusters of air sacs, alveoli, at the end of each bronchiole. All right, so our bronchioles are the red, okay, and then our alveoli, they're colored blue. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. While we inhale, the alveoli fill the oxygen. When we exhale, the alveoli releases carbon dioxide. That's the bad stuff. It gets it out of our bodies. Test how much air your alveoli can hold. Take a large inhale, okay? Take a large inhale, next exhale into a balloon. The air you blow into the balloon is all the air that your alveoli were holding. All right, so there are 4 terms that you're going to define, and then down here at the bottom, this is where I made accommodations. You're going to sketch, diagram, and color here a model of your lungs. You can also sketch on a piece of paper, diagram and color, and email it to me. Label your model with trachea, bronchi, bronchiole, and alveoli. The end.